AI is changing the way Blender artists work. Tasks that used to take hours can now take just minutes with the right tools. In this video, I'll show you some incredible AI Blender add-ons that can speed up your workflow and boost your creativity. 1. QuickMaker Addon. QuickMaker is an AI tool for Blender that lets you finish sketches, create 3D models from grease pencil, and refine blockouts with AI. Start with simple geometry, sketches, screenshots, or references. Generate, redraw, relight directly in Blender. Screenshot your viewport, draw over it with grease pencil, regenerate, project results back onto meshes, and keep iterating in scene. Use references as mood boards to drive the lighting, atmosphere, and mood of your generated images and assets. 2. Autodepth AI. Autodepth AI is a Blender add-on that uses artificial intelligence to convert ordinary 2D videos into animated 3D scenes by generating depth maps for every frame. Instead of manually creating geometry, the add-on estimates the distance of objects in the video and uses that information to create 3D displacement or mesh animation. 3. BlendAI is an all-in-one AI-powered Blender add-on that brings a wide range of AI features directly into Blender. Instead of switching between ChatGPT, image generators, upscalers, and scripting tools, BlendAI integrates them into your Blender workflow. Ask Blender questions in natural language. Get help with modeling, materials, geometry nodes, Python scripting, rendering, and more. 4. BlendAI Library Pro. Unlock the full potential of Blender with BlendAI Library Pro, a cutting-edge add-on that integrates a suite of advanced AI tools into your Blender environment. This powerful add-on enables seamless creation of 3D models, PBR materials, and HDRIs from text and images, making your 3D design process faster and more intuitive than ever. 5. Autodepth AI. Autodepth AI is a Blender add-on that uses artificial intelligence to convert 2D images into 3D depth maps and displacement-based 3D models. It automates what would normally be a time-consuming manual process of creating depth information from flat images. 6. 3D AI Studio. 3D AI Studio is an AI-powered 3D generation platform that also provides a Blender add-on. The add-on lets you generate, import, and edit AI-created 3D assets directly inside Blender instead of switching between your browser and Blender. 7. Render with Stable Diffusion in Blender. This add-on renders an AI-generated image based on a text prompt in your scene. Create incredible AI-generated images with Stable Diffusion easily, without running any code on your own computer. 8. AI Compositor Blender Addon. AI Compositor is a Blender add-on that automatically sets up a 3D scene so your rendered objects blend naturally into a 2D background image. Instead of manually matching the lighting, camera, shadows, and compositor nodes, the add-on uses AI to analyze the background and configure everything for you. 9. True Depth. True Depth generates incredibly detailed depth maps from any image or video using an advanced AI model which is used to accurately and automatically displace into 3D geometry with just one click. The model runs locally on your PC or Mac and can use either CPU or GPU. Use GPU for faster results. 10. Blender Buddy. Blender Buddy is typically a third-party assistant-style add-on for Blender that helps users speed up their workflow by acting like a helper inside the software. (11) AutoPainter AI. Blender is usually a third-party AI-powered texturing or material generation add-on for Blender that helps you automatically create or paint textures on 3D models. Thanks for watching. All links to the add-ons are in the description. Like, share, subscribe.